It's very hard in soccer to find good, intelligent analysis. Premier League in particular now is very exciting, and people are more interested in it than they are in international football, I think. And it's kind of the recent Liverpool-Manchester United match was a Monday night soccer. I think it was watched all over the world by tens of millions of people. But I was really looking forward to it all day. And my son's a Liverpool supporter, and all weekend we were talking about it. And it brings, you know, popular culture and a richness and into people's lives. And I think because it means so much to people, it deserves to be critiqued seriously and talked about intelligently and not gone for sound bites, you know. And that's the thing that these guys that are going to be doing this with me have.
What do you listen to at the moment, or what do you watch outside of what you're doing yourself?
It's very hard in soccer to find good, intelligent analysis. And so there isn't anything that I listen to that where I feel comfortable saying, you know, this is an intelligent, interesting perspective. A lot of it is very tabloidy. And the English television channels, to be fair, don't really make an effort. If you look at the people they have, they're on because they were great players.
Yeah.
But that doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to be a good analyst. So there isn't much that I watch. Sometimes I turn the sound down.